Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. You know, uh, you know what? I don't know if there was a rerun of Wheel of Fortune or not, because I caught Wheel of Fortune at the end. Okay, I want to ask y'all something. I don't know if there was a rerun or what, but I want to ask y'all something. Did Patsy Jack came back to work on Wheel of Fortune? I wonder, because you know what? The reason why I'm asking you viewers out there, because the reason why I'm asking y'all viewers, because over the days, you know, I known Vanna White was taking over hosting duties for Patsy Jack, you know. So she was there, I would say by herself, you know, but she had Jim Thornton with her, you know. And then some Mickey Mouse characters was I only watched one episode of it, you know. So I want to know, did Patsy Jack come back to work on Wheel of Fortune, you know? So this is New Year's Day as I'm doing this. I want y'all to comment below to let me know, okay? Because sometimes I miss Wheel of Fortune, sometimes I miss The Price is Right, you know? And sometimes I miss Let's Make a Deal, okay? I need to keep track of those game shows, especially Deal or No Deal, okay? So as some of you know, Deal or No Deal come on CNBC, no longer NBC anymore, okay? But anyway, they still have NBC, but it's just that it don't come on CNBC no more. Well, never mind that, okay? So I kind of wonder though. So without profanity, without cursing or whatever, I'm just asking y'all a question. Whoever watches this and keep track of these game shows more than I do, okay? Because sometimes I miss Jeopardy, to be honest with y'all. Sometimes I miss Wheel of Fortune. Sometimes I miss The Price is Right, okay? Because I have doctor's appointment, I get home late and stuff like that, you know, because I'm doing other things and stuff like that, playing my game. Well, anyway, I paused my game for a while, and then I cut on the TV and watch the game show. And sometimes I watch YouTube on my TV. I cut the YouTube off and put on the TV, you know. I still watch YouTube on my computer, you know. That ain't gonna never stop, okay? Even though I watch YouTube on my TV, you know. Some of you just one-sided, okay? But never mind that, okay? So I want to let y'all know, I've been watching Patsy Jack on Wheel of Fortune since I was a child, you know. So that time I didn't know there was a host before Patsy Jack, you know. But I did see different hosts on Wheel of Fortune before, like Rolf. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, you know, and Bob Goen and stuff like that, you know. I'm like, where's Patsy Jack? I was thinking that there was a substitute host on Wheel of Fortune those times, you know. Okay, yeah, was on CBS or NBC or whatever. Okay, all right. So anyway, as I wanted to point out, I should have said at the beginning of this video, I heard about Patsy Jack going to surgery, you know, emergency surgery, and he had to take some time off from Wheel of Fortune, you know. I know this is a new year and stuff like that. This is January the 1st, 2020, or should I say 2020, you know. Okay. So I'm just wondering. I just want to make sure that that's not a rerun or whatever, you know, because I watched some episodes of Wheel of Fortune. I think 1 or 2 episodes with Vanna White taking over hosting duties in Patsy Jack's place, and then Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse was by the puzzle board, you know. Okay. Well, I ain't like that, to be honest though. By Mickey Mouse standing there and not touching the screen and stuff like that, you know. Okay, at least somebody, you know. But I just want to know if Patsy Jack is back on Wheel of Fortune, returning to his hosting duties. That's all I want to know. Cause somebody comment below and let me know, okay? Cause I missed something, you know, because I just want to make sure it's not a rerun. You know what I'm saying? I thought Patsy Jack wasn't coming back for hosting duties until January the 10th or the 15th or something, you know. That's what I thought, you know, because I might have read it wrong or something like that. I don't know, okay. I thought it said it on the Wikipedia or something. You know, I could have read it wrong because sometimes I misread things, you know. I misread things, you know. You know, I misread or whatever. I don't know. Okay, sometimes I misread things, you know, because when I read something out loud, sometimes I say a different word, and the word don't be in the sentence, you know. Okay, so that's all I gotta explain to y'all, you know. Okay, so I just want to know if Patsy Jack is back on this hosting duties. Okay, very nicely, just give me the answer. Okay, I'm just confused. Okay, all right. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Okay, I just want to know if Patsy Jack is back. Disregard that noise though. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to know Patsy Jack is back on the show. You know, that's all. Making sure it wasn't a rerun. Okay? Alright. Bye.